In this video, I'll show you how to create a pop-up bounce text animation in Adobe After Effects. First, select the Type tool and type your text. Then, customize it as you like. Next, expand the text layer. Click on Animate and select Scale. Now, expand Range Selector 1 and turn on keyframes for offset. Set the offset value to -100. Move the playhead slightly forward and set the offset to +100. Then, set the scale value to 0. After that, expand the advanced settings. Scroll down and change the shape to ramp up. Set both ease high and ease low to 50%. Now, go back up and select Animator 1, then press Ctrl+D to duplicate it. Scroll down to Animator 2, expand it, and set the scale value to 150. Next, expand Range Selector 1 again. Select both keyframes on the timeline and move them 2 to 3 frames forward. Finally, turn on Motion Blur. And that's it, your pop-up bounce text animation is ready.